Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method in Expedia. This is incredibly useful because having your payment information saved makes booking flights, hotels, and vacation packages much faster and more convenient for future trips. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your account management dashboard where you can control various settings related to your Expedia profile. Now look over to the left sidebar of the account page. You'll see several menu options listed there. Click on Payment Methods to access the section where you can manage all your saved payment information. This is where you'll be able to add, edit, or remove payment methods associated with your account. Here's something important to note. If you don't have any cards saved yet, Expedia requires you to complete a checkout process first before you can save a new payment method. This is a security measure they have in place. So if you're setting this up for the first time, you'll need to proceed through at least one booking to enable this feature. However, once that's done, you can easily manage your payment methods from here. When you're ready to add a new card, click on Add a New Card or the Add Payment Method button. This will open up a form where you can input your payment details. Start by typing your card number into the credit card number field. Make sure you enter all the digits carefully to avoid any errors. Next, you'll need to select or type the expiration date in the expiration date field. This should be an MM/YY format. So for example, if your card expires in March 2026, you'd enter 03/26. After that, type the cardholder name exactly as it appears on your card in the Name on Card field. This ensures that your payment information matches what's on file with your bank. Now it's time to enter your billing address details. You'll see fields for country, city, state, and zip code. Fill in each of these fields with the address that's associated with your credit card. This billing address must match what your card issuer has on record, otherwise the payment method might not be accepted. Once you've double-checked that all your information is correct, click Save or Add Card to store the payment method in your Expedia account. The system will process this information and save it securely for future use. You'll now be able to select this payment method whenever you're booking travel on Expedia, making the checkout process much quicker and smoother. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your payment method in Expedia, and you're all set for hassle-free booking on your next trip. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.